In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product adjustments in Xero inventory. By the end, you'll know exactly how to correct stock levels and keep your accounts tidy and accurate. Start by opening Xero and heading to the main navigation. Go to Sales, then choose Products and Services. This is your central list of items that track quantity on hand. Find the product you want to correct. Use the search bar or filters if you have a long list, then open the product's detail page so you can work directly on that item. On the product page, look for the option called New Adjustment. This is where you record changes discovered during a stock take, returns to stock, shrinkage, breakage, or any other discrepancy. When the adjustment form opens, choose the adjustment type. You can either decrease quantity or increase quantity depending on what you found. In this example, we're increasing the quantity. Enter how many units you want to add in the increased quantity by field. Keep in mind, this should be the difference you need to correct, not the new total. For example, if you counted 5 more units than expected, enter 5. If you're unsure, double check your physical count to avoid overcorrecting. Next, select the adjustment account. This tells Xero where to post the accounting side of the correction. Many businesses use an inventory adjustments or cost of goods sold type account for these entries, but the exact choice depends on your chart of accounts and internal policy. If you're not certain which account to use, confirm with your accountant or refer to your accounting policy before you proceed. Add a clear reference so future you and anyone auditing your books understands why this change was made. Good examples include stock take May, supplier return received, or count correction for warehouse A. The more specific you are, the easier it is to trace later. Click. Next, to review your adjustment, take a moment to confirm the product, the direction of the change, the quantity difference, the adjustment account, and your reference note. This quick pause helps prevent accidental overstatements or posting to the wrong account. When everything looks right, click Post Adjustment to finalize it. Xero will update the on-hand quantity immediately and post the related accounting entry to the account you selected. After posting, return to the product page to confirm the new balance and review recent activity. If your organization uses reporting or periodic stock takes, make a note of this adjustment so it aligns with your internal controls and any month-end procedures. And that's it. Your product adjustment is complete and your inventory is now accurate.